In today's video, I'm going to show you how to post anonymously in Facebook group. So the first thing you need to do is open your Facebook setting. And select for groups right here. Go ahead and choose whatever groups you want. So let's now try and create a post. Just tap that one and then write something. Let's say I say hi, and from the bottom menu you will see the word anonymous, post anonymously. You can only see this on your Android phone. Click the post anonymously and then just post to group, and that's it. Just tap the post icon and then you have already posted anonymously on your group. On iOS, you just have to find the administration button, group settings, and then find anonymous posting. Just turn it on, and that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you on my next video. Thanks for watching.